Hello, and welcome to the Savvy Tech Grandma School community. I'm so glad you're here. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by technology, confused by all the new apps and gadgets, or wished someone would explain things in plain English, you've found the right place. This community was created to make learning technology simple, stress-free, and even fun. Whether you're just getting started with your smartphone, learning social media, exploring AI tools, or trying to stay connected with family and friends online, we're here to help every step of the way. One of the things that makes this community special is that you're not learning alone. We're building a supportive, family-like environment where members can ask questions, share successes, help one another, and grow together. There are no silly questions. We've all been beginners at some point, and we're here to encourage each other. As a member, you'll have access to easy-to-follow lessons, helpful discussions, practical tips, and a welcoming group of people who understand what it's like to learn technology later in life. Plus, Savvy Tech Grandma will provide answers to your questions in the discussion area. And for those who want to take things even further, we offer a higher level membership that includes exciting bonus features, exclusive training, additional resources, special workshops, and a monthly 15-minute one-on-one with Savvy Tech Grandma herself. No matter which membership level you choose, our mission remains the same: to help you gain confidence with technology in a way that feels comfortable, enjoyable, and empowering. Thank you for joining us. I can't wait to learn, grow, and have fun together. Welcome to the Savvy Tech Grandma family.